Hello everyone, this is John Gatis from the Gatis team at Keller Williams Realty, and today I am coming to you from 6198 Hoover Road in the town of Wheatfield. I'm here in this beautiful 2011 custom built home. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath Colonial with a beautiful kitchen, eat-in kitchen. It has a beautiful deck in the backyard with an above-ground swimming pool overlooking some agricultural land. We have a beautiful living room with a fireplace with tray ceilings in the living room and all 9-foot ceilings throughout the house. This home also features a partially finished basement. And come on, why don't you take a tour with me? So please share with your family and friends and join us today as we are here from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. And tomorrow we'll be here from 12 until 3. Beautiful dining room set up in here. And then as you can see over here to the left, we have a first floor laundry. So please share and join me today. Can't wait to see you.